Me too. Hi, I'm Destiny. I had someone message me about our fart video when we were making the fart sounds with our mouth. This is my brother Steven. He's joining me again today. Um, he asked us to do real farts, but we're not going to do that. But on my Kindle, I have this fart app. Don't touch it. I have a fart app. It's got all kinds of farts. So I'll play all of them. I'll see how you like them, and they're really funny. My brother played one just a few minutes ago. I started laughing like crazy. Okay, so here's the first one. The first one is called Brave Fart. The next one is called Harry Pooter. Pooter. Okay, the next one is called Juicy. Okay. Here's the next one. It's called The Sixth Scent. There's about to throw up. Okay, the next one is called Top Bum. Oh. Okay, the next one is called wheat. No, the next one is called dark chocolate. Dark chocolate. Oh. Okay. Do it again. Okay, I'll do it again. Do wheat. The next one is called Dukes of Hazzard. Hold on, don't touch it, dude. I'm serious, don't touch it. Okay, scoot over. Okay. The next one is called Dukes of Hazzard. Okay, these are the nastiest and wettest farts you can think of. Okay, the next one is called Wet. Okay, the next one is called Check Your Underwear. Okay, Honker. This is long. Dude, they can't see you. They can't see you. Stop. Okay. Hold in back. Oh, I'm gonna need a unit, so put on me. What you looking at? No. Okay. The next one is called Pooter. Okay. No. Okay, the next one. Oh no. Oh no. Dude, stop. The next one is called Oh no. Oh no. Stop, dude. Oh my god. The next one is called Silent but Deadly. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Okay, the next one is called Splat. Do it again. No. Okay, the next one is called. Excuse me. My brother just burped. Is that my fart? The next one is called Oh Shat. What's on my fish? Febreze, please. Okay, the next one is called Song of the South. I have to agree, that does sound like Song of the South. Song of the South. Song of the South. Okay, the next one is called Good Man Down. I had like 3 people make that fart in class Friday before we went on spring break. Okay, the next one is called Let Her Rip. Okay, I think this is the funniest of them all. It's called PU. Stop.
Oh my god, it's just so funny.
Okay, and the last one is called Oh Shit. She can go down. That's it. So that's really all. That's all of them.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
That's all of them. You want watermelon?
Here, eat it.
Stop, dude. And it's pretty much it. So, thanks for watching, and
Good night.
bring some more ideas because I'm kind of running short. Dude!
Boom. Boom. Boom.